Hello traders, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October 22nd and the chart of the day is S&P 500 futures ES 45 minutes time frame here. So we completed with 4 at 65.40. Now since then we have been kind of a little bit sideways, but overall still remains supported, and we're looking for further upside while it stays above 65.40 here. Okay, so if I zoom out and look at the 4-hour, now this is the important low for us, April this year, and then this rally is mature and it is going to complete soon, but we might still see one more push on the upside. So this is your wave 4 here, right, and this is your 3 here, or this one, it doesn't matter, and then you can place maybe 1 2 here, 1 2, right? So you're going to be ending the last leg here from April low, and then after that you will see the biggest pullback since April this year. But until then we might still see another leg up to finish your wave 5. We still need to take out the previous high though, basically to confirm we're not going to sell off again and do even a bigger double correction. But if you look at overall the market, then I think it still has a chance to extend higher. When you look at the Russell, which has already broken to new high, Euro stocks also broke to new high, so and then we are near the peak anyway, so more likely than not we can still see more upside. Now shorter cycle, of course, there is a couple of different possibilities. For example, instead of one more leg higher, we could have already completed like this, and then starting to see this pullback here, which can take us to 66.75 for example. I mean, that's within a natural sort of possibilities there, right? It's not like every single swing has to be exactly what we are showing, but the idea still remains the same. As long as we stay above 65.40, eventually we can still see more upside to finish your wave 5, which is this wave 5 from this low here. Now once that is complete, then we can get the bigger pullback. All right, so that's what we are looking at. Now in terms of potential target higher, the minimum target for wave 5 typically can be measured this way using just a simple retracement, and you can take the 1.236 and 1.618 as a potential target on the upside here, which is between 68.76 and 69.80 as sort of the potential target for your wave 5. All right, so that's the update for today, guys, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.